Hello everyone, start off by taking your cloth and then inserting it using a plier right through the center through the sewing machine as such. This will help you create the frills right in the center on either side. Now once you are done with this, you will form your pleats. Now add a needle through it, add your cloth through the sewing machine and then watch as you stitch it. You will be forming these frills as such. Then add the pleats on top of the frills. Next, take a pair of jeans and then cut it along the lines that we have marked out. Once you are done with this, we can make a little pencil box out of this. In order to do so, start off by taking some lining cloth to begin with and then cut it out in the same size as required. Now, afterwards, make sure that it is of this material. That is, it is not too thin, it is bendable but also sturdy. It is also a cottonish material. Add this on top of your cloth and then iron the two together as such. Once you are done with this, take the initial piece of cloth that you have taken, fold the two together and then it should form a different harder texture. Now afterwards, add it onto a flat board and then add a zipper on one end of it. Add it on both the ends and then join them together once you are done with this. Now once you are done embroidering it, this is what it should look like. Add another piece on top of it that will add as another lining layer. Now reverse the entire cloth after you are done sewing the two together. Now taking the corners of it, once again make sure that you sew the two shut. Afterwards, bring both onto either side and then zip it shut as you please. Taking the end portion of it, diagonally cut it ever so slightly. Now after you have done this is what it should look like. Add a little bit right through the center as such and then sew one of the ends together. Add another small little bit right through the other end of it as well. Cover it up using the same lead. Now take a ruler and once again begin to measure it. Use the chalk piece in order to make these markings onto it. Once you are done with this, you may also reverse this pencil case and then this is what you should be left with. You may use different designs in order to make what you like. We have chosen to make this one as such. Afterwards, you can add little tags and stickers to it on the outside, and as for the inside, you may use it in order to store your pens, your pencils and other such stationery. This is the final look of the pouches that we have created. Next, we will start off by taking some blue cloth, take a fork and fold it over each time as it is being inserted into the sewing machine. Now once you are done with this, you should be left with pleats. Now take some cardboard paper that is bendable multiple number of times as such. Add them together under the sewing machine, repeat this in order to make your pleats. Do this until you reach all the way as such. Now once you are done with this, take another cardboard piece of paper, make a small slit in it and then tape it up on either end onto the sewing machine. Once you make the small slit, insert some lace into it. Add the cloth on top of this and then sew it shut. This will help ensure that the sewing is straight, especially when it is lace. Thank you for watching.